Right, well, let's focus then on some stocks on the move. Dalmia Bharat, well, that's reacting to its Q1 performance. And at the start of today, we said that the numbers were good. But now that surprise element actually is missing. And the stock in the last 1 month or so, today it's come in for profit taking. Pull up a 1 month chart. The stock actually has seen a big rise of more than 10%, even after this 2% pullback. And it was closer to around a 52-week high. The numbers look fairly okay. Top line was a small miss. The EBITDA number actually was better. What played out here? If you pull up the EBITDA per ton, it came in at around 1,261 rupees, which is a sharp improvement both on a sequential basis as well as on a year-on-year basis. The problem was on volumes. They have degrown by close to 5%. That's, even if you exclude the JP volumes, which was at around 0.4 million tons, then as well, the number is more or less flattish. So no volume growth is something that the street will be disappointed on, because that means they're losing market share. Though on the realization parameter, there was a positive surprise. Since they have a fair bit of exposure to South India, realizations went up by close to around 9%. The longer-term time horizon is good. Currently they're at around 50 million tons. They laid out a plan to get to the mid-60 million tons or thereabouts with the plan that they've raised. They've already announced a capex as well at roughly around $65 on a per-ton basis. And the capex spend that they've earmarked is close to around 3,000 crores for a 6 million ton capacity with a 3.5 million ton clinker capacity as well. So the trajectory is good. They're going to be becoming a larger size cement player by 2028 when they're saying they're going to be a 75 million ton unit. However, lack of volume growth seems to be plaguing the street, and lack of a positive surprise as well is the reason the stock is coming for profit taking, because the street sniffed it, had already run up in anticipation to these numbers. That's about Dalmia Bharat. I'll tell you what, we'll slip into a short break, but Manisha is waiting for us on the other side. She'll tell us all that's going on in the commodity space.